Hey guys, this is Raj Jaggi again. So today is 27th day of my walk with Raj, as I promise. So today we'll talk about three more businesses. So as I mentioned, I gonna help local business who are helping in our community. So first business, I want to say thank you to Vinu Suri. She is a life insurance agent for 28 years in the business and serving community for so long. And another guy I want to tell, Daniel Tariq, who is a great mortgage guy. He used to work with Heb Bank. So now he working with different companies. So he is my Facebook friend. If you need any mortgage, you can talk to him, and he's a great help. And another, as I told everyone, different people are joining to my page. So I want to introduce another business, which is Mr. Shyam Sidwani, World Ocean shipping business they have. And people who want the shipping help. Hey Glenn, thank you for joining. I can add your business too on this. So every day I'm promoting three business. Today I'm promoting one insurance girl and one guy who do shipping overseas and as well as in US. And the third one is mortgage banker. So if you want to give your information on this page, I will show. This is free service, Facebook family, Facebook friends. Mr. Sabharwal, thank you. Dinesh ji, welcome for joining my walk with Raj, day 27th. Weather is so beautiful in New York. So as Inu Suri, she is and working in 28 years in the business. Daniel Tariq, he's a mortgage guy and helping community for so long. And the other one is Shyam Sidwani, who has serving all you who will help you to they cover. Rita Rahman, thank you for joining. So as I'm talking we are shouting three businesses every day. This is free service. I want to give my Facebook family who are whatever business is there, you can put on my comments, and especially Mr. Shyam Sidwani, Veena Suri, and so you can add your comments, how people can reach you. So we have next few days we have few attorneys, few insurance adjusters, and then doctors are coming, some restaurant owners are coming. So if you want, Ranjit Bhatia, welcome. Rashmi, Ritika Jhanji, welcome. So today's day, so I'm walking, and I know a lot of people are joining with me. So as I'm mentioning, I'm ready to promote your business free. If you want to, whatever you are doing, and if you want to send me your business info, I will love to have. Shyam Sidwani is here. So the business for today, you can write down. I know you send me your information worldwide. What is your packaging, especially when people are planning to move to India or they have their job. So you can reach my friend Shyam Sidwani, who is helping hundreds of thousand people. Yes, Rita, I will send you his number. So, see, like, this is like, if you put your information, be meeting each other. So, Dan Oman, how is Florida, Karen? She is a very good realtor from Florida, my friend. She used to have business in Hicksville. Still, she have some business, but very good couple. Thank you, Karen, for joining. So today I'm promoting 3 businesses. One is mortgage, other is insurance, and the third is the moving company, which move everywhere. So today's date, every day. Today's day 27th, 5 miles. I have 36 with me. Shyam is one of the guy. Hey Jasmine, Alag, thank you for joining. So this is like, I know I'm walking. I have a lot of people following me. So I said, let me promote few businesses who are helping our community, our country, our Facebook family. Don't make me responsible. This is what I do online. Whenever you are doing business, my job is to promote everyone, because I have hundreds, thousands of followers, and everybody, if I talk for any business, they know what I'm talking. Okay, Neelam ji. So I have another good friend, Neelam. She's from LA. She is writing, I should extend my walk for 60 days. Then I will lose a lot of weight. I don't want people should forget me who is right, you guys. But yes, Neelam ji, I will seriously thinking this. But if I do 60, all credit will go to you. Thank you. So tomorrow I'll talk about your business, Neelam. So please write down your information on that. So I will talk about your business. Today, 3 businesses. One is Vinu Suri, a mortgage person. Other is Daniel Tariq. Daniel Tariq is a mortgage. Vinu Suri is an insurance person. And Shyam Sidwani is a very good carrier. Pala Bagowal, thank you very much. Pamela Shankar, thank you. Please forgive me if I cannot take your name because I'm walking. I cannot read. But I want to say thank you everyone who always support me. And now I start supporting local businesses. So if you want, I can talk about you, your business, your passion. I know Ranjit is a good singer. I always love to have his music when he sing. Narinder Garewal from Chandigarh. Welcome ji. Welcome for joining my walk with Raj. Beautiful weather outside New York. We were missing for so long this kind of weather. So as everyone know, I do real estate in Long Island. I have full team working in Long Island. Today we are doing 3 virtual open houses. If you want to see few beautiful houses while sitting in the house, go to my website trjopenhouses.com. So you will see beautiful brick colonials, new property in Hicksville, Plainview, Queens area. So trjopenhouses.com. Or if you are planning to sell your house, you can go to my website, another website, which is rajhasbuyers.com. And you can put your house on your house. If you put little information, how many bedroom, how many bathroom. Kumar Bharti, welcome. Patiala, thank you. Raja Chandok, thank you for joining. Tania Bedi, thank you for joining. So I know hundreds of thousands of people are joining every day. So if you want to promote your business free, please write down your information. So I will talk about your business. And this is a free service I give to every businessman. I will do 3 people. So 3 new business every day. Whatever you guys are doing. Somebody is doing social work. So if you want to write down what kind of social work you guys are doing, I will shout for you. So I've decided we'll do 3 businesses every day. So the business owner, hi, William Brown, a buddy, my buddy, a realtor buddy, my friend, my family. Thank you for joining. He's a great realtor, but today is not your day, Bill. So you have to send me what you do. I will talk about you one day full. So today I'm talking about 3 people. One is a mortgage person, other is a insurance, and third is in a shipping business. So please email him or call me. I can provide you direct number. This is free service I'm giving. If you know someone who want to promote his business, thank you, Ji. My plan is here. I walk. Today is my 27th day. So one of my friend, she told me I should walk 60 days. I said, I can. People want to see me 1:30. Sometime I'm late. I got text, are you coming today? I love you guys, man. Thank you very much for encouraging me. Special thanks to people who walk with me. I always say their names. Ajay Paul, Ajay Veer Sondi, Ginny Jaggi, Rahul Jaggi, Karen Charlotte Tiger, Sheetal Rishi, Meenakshi Baga Taneja, Komal Chand, Sheetal Wadwa, Ropinder, Harjeet Wadach, Kartar Singh. So a lot of people are joining steps. So I want to say thank you very much. I'm doing my job. You should do whatever you are doing. Keep doing. I like it. A lot of families are coming. Yesterday someone called me, you are walking 26 days. You lost some. But more thing I say, I feel more energetic. Even my knee is hurting. But I was walking when I was kid. I was playing game, judo. Raj Sharma. Namaskar, sir. Thank you for watching. So I want to say 3 shouts for again 3 businesses with Sidwani, who is importer, not importer, packaging and shipping handling business in US as well as overseas. And then Veena Suri, she is a insurance girl working in the business for 28 years. And then there is a Daniel Tariq, who is doing business, mortgage business. So as I mentioned earlier, if you want me to talk about your business, Namaskar ji, if you want me to talk about your business, please feel free to personally text me or write down on my chat. I love to promote. This is free service which I decide to go give to all my community, all my friends, all my Facebook friends, all my fellow, my family. So if I can help you little bit, Rajbog Hicksville, very good joining me, Walk with Raj. So Rajbog, if you want to something I can talk about you tomorrow, day after tomorrow, if you send me your information. I know you guys are still in a wonderful job, line free food and serving community. I talk about 3 business today. If you want, I will have at least 5-minute walk for you. So every day, this is my 27th day, was 30-day challenge, but I might extend because I was thinking I have 50 more people who walk with me. I have 35, 36. So unless I have 50 people, keep walking. At the end, I gave name. So for everyone who are me, and for today's walk, I think we already have 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So if you want any one of your family, friends who have business here in the world, because I have a vast fan following, hundreds of YouTube channel too. So it will go to 100,000 people. It's a free advertisement for everyone. So if you want, I will definitely talk to you guys, and I will love to have you, and I'll give everyone at this time. I know very hard time. We are not used to this kind of time, but I used to. Even they are opening, we should be what you can say, care for us, because even they are opening, you don't know who has it. So I wish it opens soon and everyone will be going to normal, but the new normal will be your face mask and your hand and gloves or hand sanitizer. So I think we should make this as a routine life. No big parties of your family. All right, so I keep walking. So I know a lot of people are joining. I was planning to join. Pita, thank you very much for joining. Raj, Mike, Rahul, Ajay. I can see a lot of people are coming. Varinder Paul, thank you for coming. So if I'm on whole day, a lot of people will joining. I know a lot of people has to do their work. So this is my message for today, as I do at the end. Please take care of yourself, your family, and if you need me to talk about your business, please write down what kind of business you are doing, and especially how we can approach you. It will great help. This is free from me. So if you know someone who want to have their business, every day I'm promoting 3 business as I did today. 3 business: Shyam Sidwani, Daniel Tariq, and Veena Suri. So if you want to say your business, I will love to help you. So now what you can do, you just stay safe, walk करो, फैमिली का, बच्चों का ध्यान रखो, और keep loving me. I love you guys all. Thank you very much. I'll see you same time tomorrow, 1:30. Walk with Raj, day 28. Today was day 27. I don't lie. Whenever I have 12,000 steps, I put on my Facebook, because if I can do, anyone can do. Who is this? Varinder Paul? Yes, Varinder, whatever is... yes, I do, brother, a lot of houses, so you can call me or you can text me. But if you know someone need my shout, I would love to have help for them. तब तक वसदे रहो, हंसदे रहो, चलते रहो. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place, 1:30. Walk with Raj, day 28. I love you guys. बंद करो जी, बंद करो.